I'm Dr. Ashley Curtis with the Griffin Center for Hair Restoration. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about hair care practices and how they can affect your hair and hair loss. I get a lot of questions, especially from my female patients, on how best to care for their hair, what to avoid, what to use, and how to manage dryness, breakage, things like that. First and foremost, I like to recommend loose, natural hairstyles. Patients can certainly wear their hair back in ponytails, braids, things like that, but minimizing tight hairstyles certainly makes a big difference as far as hair loss along the frontal hairline. I see a lot of this type of hair loss called traction alopecia from really tight hairstyles. So I like to go over different hair care, different styles that can really minimize damage to the frontal hairline. After we've already gone over that, I'd like to talk a little bit about styling of the hair. So we like to use different things on our hair, whether it's products, heat in the form of curling irons, flat irons, hair dryers. Really and truly minimizing the amount of heat on your hair can make a big difference in the quality of your hair. Heat can break your hair and it can cause overall dryness. I recommend blow drying your hair on medium to low settings and try not to blow dry your hair every day if possible. If you get your hair done in a salon, please ask your stylist to use low heat in the dryer or even cool air. Minimizing this heat can make a huge difference in the quality of your hair. Another question I get is, what shampoo should I use? Should I use a conditioner? And really, how often should I wash? These are all really good questions, and honestly, they depend on the quality of your hair. If you have dry hair, then I don't like to wash every day. I'd say go maybe once every 2 or 3 days, or even weekly if you need to. If you wash your hair every single day and your hair is dry, you can strip all the natural oils from the hair shaft and cause worsening of the dryness, and that can lead to breakage. If your hair is not dry and it's even on the oily side, washing it every day is perfectly fine. It does not cause an increase in hair loss, and in fact can be very good for you to wash your hair. I like sulfate-free shampoos. These minimize damage to the hair shafts. And I'm not a huge fan of thickening shampoos. Thickening shampoos really just give you the illusion of thicker hair, while at the same time increasing the risk of breakage. So I really stay away from thickening shampoos, and I use very gentle sulfate-free shampoos. Conditioners are always great to use. I like to recommend conditioners for the hair and oils for the hair and not so much for the scalp, because we want to protect the hair cuticle, which is most susceptible to breakage. I hope that's been helpful as far as hair care, and please visit us here at the Griffin Center for any more questions.